Today I will show you how to add an Instagram feed on Squarespace, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Now once you're done signing in, you're going to come to the bottom of the page where you have the icon that displays your display image. You see your settings right next to it. You click on it and you're going to come to third-party tools, and on the third-party tools you're going to go to connected accounts and you're going to connect account. Now the account you're going to connect here is Instagram. It's going to pop out a dialog box that's going to lead you to Instagram login page, and you're going to log in, authenticate yourself, and then once it's connected, you close this, you go back to the page. On the left sidebar you go to website, you go to pages, and now you find the page where you want the Instagram feed to display on. You click on the page, and on the right side where the page previews, you see an edit button at the top. You click on the edit button. Now you're going to come to the section where you want to display the Instagram feed. You see this ad block plus sign, you click on it, and here you're going to search for Instagram, and you're going to click on Instagram. Now it's going to display this dialog box for where the Instagram feeds are going to be, and you're going to move it to the exact place you want it to be at. So Squarespace gives you that that level of customization to be able to move blocks around, and we're going to move this, resize it to this, and to edit the pictures or to edit the kind of feeds that come on it, we're going to hover over the Instagram feed block, and there's a pencil sign here. You click on it. Here, if you have multiple Instagram accounts, you can choose the account that you want to add, and you can also add an account here. You can choose the number of items that you want the feed to display here, and here you can go to design, and you can decide to make it a carousel, a slideshow, a stack display, or a grid display, and you can do all sorts of customization under this menu. Now that's how you add Instagram feed on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.